I have scarring alopecia, and I usually wear a hat or a topper. And the topper that I have always worn has been this big topper that sits on the top of my head, and I blend it in with my bio hair, and it's fine. I mean, I wear it every day. It's no big deal. But I wanted to show you this small girl that I just tried and show you how she works, because I'm going to be wearing her all the time, okay? I'm used to having this heavy head of hair with my topper. So anyways, I'm pretty excited about this. So she comes like this, and she just fits like right where I need her, right? And she has this little safety feature that kind of goes behind my ear, and I wanted to show you how I put it on and what I think. And you tell me what you think. So I took her out of the box, and I've done a couple things, right? Because you can't usually just take a topper out of the box and put her on. Okay, so here is the little safety feature. And I put her on just like this. And then I take this little string wire thing and put it down behind my ears, okay, like that. And then I take my ponytail out, and then I just blend her in, right? Okay, so then I also would put a couple curls. I put a couple curls right here, and I might even put a few more actually now that I have her on. Okay, so let's put her where we want her. And then this little wire kind of, you can tighten it up, make it secure. And I freaking love it. I'm just telling you, I usually feel so heavy, and this feels so light. Ah, I love it. Okay, so the other thing that I might do, just to make it look more natural, is so I curled this little piece back, right? And this is the topper. And I would take a piece that's kind of my bio hair and the topper, and just sort of blend them together. And then I would just take and put a couple quick curls in there. You don't have to leave them in very long at all, right? And this curl went back, so this one is going this way. And then I would just go all the way around, right? I would even take probably another piece right here and just go all the way around. So my bio hair is kind of straight right now. So normally I would probably go all the way around, but you can see how well she's blending. I'm so happy with her. Okay, so yeah, that's it. The other thing that I might do actually is, if you feel like, because she's a lace front, if you feel like you can see this, it doesn't look natural. I mean, I feel like this looks pretty natural, but I would even take a little bit of dark brown eyeshadow and just dot it right here, maybe some concealer, you know, if you're feeling like it doesn't look natural enough. But I really like the way she looks and how she's blending right now. The other thing is, I would take her with me when I go get my hair colored, right? I haven't done that with her, but I usually do have them match my topper to my bio hair, just so it's, you know, a really great match. I mean, I feel like this is a great match, but anyways. Okay, so the other thing that I would do is, if you feel nervous about wearing your topper and having her fly off in the wind, you know, I used to feel that way in the beginning. Now I feel pretty secure. I would just wear her just like this. But you could get some of that double stick tape that you use for toupees, and you could just put it right underneath there, right? And it would hold it really secure. They're really strong. Although I feel, yeah, I don't think I would do that with this one. So anyways, there you have it. You could just kind of blend it a little bit like that, right? There's the side, the top, and then the back. My hair and my back is pretty straight right now, so I would definitely put some more curls in it, but I feel like it blends good. Like I would 100% wear this today.